Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be giving you 5 tips on how to get a boyfriend slash girlfriend.
And if you like this video, like, subscribe, and comment down below on what video you want to see next.
So our first tip on how to get a boyfriend is to love yourself and be confident. How can you not love yourself but love somebody else? Loving yourself is very important because it's going to keep your insecurities down and it's going to keep your confidence level up. Being confident is something that you always have to have because if you're not confident, then you may think, well, this person that you see on Instagram may not look as good as you, and that can lead into many health problems such as depression and other fatal things that somebody doesn't want to go through.
My first tip on how to get a girlfriend is to not settle, which means that you should know your worth, know what you're looking for in a girl, know how you want to be treated, you should know pretty much everything that you're looking for before you get into that relationship, for whenever you approach her, whatever her, let's just say you say hey to her and she approach you the way that you don't want to be approached, then you know that that ain't the one you want to talk to at that period of time or whatever.
So our second tip is to get a boyfriend is to have a good image. A lot of girls wonder why boys come and only want them for sex or just want them for the wrong reasons. But if you portray yourself with all these skimpy clothing and just got all your body parts hanging out, then that's the kind of man that you're going to attract. If you want somebody that's going to treat you right and that's going to be a good person and don't smoke, don't drink, don't do none of that bad stuff, have a good image of yourself. Dress the way you should be dressing. Dress the way you want somebody to take you out in. You shouldn't have to dress all skimpy just to get somebody's attention. If they really want you, they will accept you for the image that you have and the good image that you have.
My second tip on how to get a girlfriend is to smell good and make sure your appearance is good, which means that when you approach her, you wanna be yourself and you wanna be looking good. You wanna smell good. So whenever you talking to us, you be like, "Oh, he smells good," and I like how he looks. He's being himself. He's not trying to be somebody else. Because you being somebody else, and she gonna look at you a certain way that you might not be whenever y'all start getting into a relationship, or whenever if y'all having a friendship or whatever. She might look to you to be somebody that you're not. So if you be yourself and you keep your appearance as being yourself, then everything should work out.
So the third tip is to know what you want in a male. You gotta, if you want somebody that's drinking, that's smoking, that just do drugs and all that other kind of stuff, then that's just what you want. But if you want somebody that's gonna treat you like you're supposed to, take care of you, buy you stuff, and just be like, hey babe, I got the bill this time. Get that type of guy. Don't sit there and be like, oh, I can change him into this person. I can change him into stop smoking. I can change him to stop drinking. Don't go for that. Go for somebody who already has that.
Who has goals for themselves. My third tip on how to get a girlfriend is to flirt. You have to make them feel special, which if that's the person that you want, then it should be easy. It shouldn't be hard. You shouldn't have to ask somebody on how do I talk to her, how do I do this, how do I do that, because you should feel some type of way about her. So it should just be easy to approach her and be like, well, are you looking nice today, or whatever, your hair looks nice, your nails look nice. That should just be stuff that you should be able to do because you just like her or whatever.
So our fourth tip to how to get a boyfriend is to be yourself. Don't go out portraying this image that you're really not. Don't go out and wear these skimpy clothing and then you really feel self-conscious about it because that's not what you want to wear and that's not the person that you see yourself as. I have actually done this before. I've portrayed myself as somebody else that I really wasn't just because I wanted to like this person and this person seemed cool at the time. But now that I've grown up and I've matured, I just learned to be myself, and If they want you, they want you. If they don't, they don't. Go with somebody that wants you.
My fourth tip on how to get a girlfriend is to be different, which means that you should stand out to that girl. I mean, she should look at you in a different light than all the other people, because you should make her feel that type of way, that she's special to you, she's this, she's that, or whatever. And
She's the only one you want.
Yeah, she's the only one that you want. Because if you going out there looking for everybody else or whatever, then she's gonna be like, well, he don't want me. You see what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
So just be different. Be different, but be yourself while being different. Because you don't want to be like the rest of them. You want to be yourself, and you just want to be yourself.
So my last tip is respect. A lot of girls have a man, but they still act like they don't have a man. Respect your partner, and your partner should respect you. And if they don't respect you and you're respecting him, then that means you gotta go. So respect has to have a thin line drawn, and you have to know when not to cross it and when to cross it. Because I'm not gonna let nobody sit there and disrespect me and go and cheat on me and act like he not dating me. Then that's when you can overstep their respect boundary. But if somebody is respecting you, they're loving you for you, they enjoy being around you, they're not cheating on you, and they're just simply respecting you for you, then there's no need to go cross that line.
My fifth tip on how to get a girlfriend is to have fun, which means that have fun with the girl or whatever. Tell her some jokes. Just don't be so nervous and uptight that you can't be yourself and you can't enjoy being with her. Because if you're nervous and uptight, then she can't really understand like what your feelings might be, because you so uptight. So when you're loose and you're having fun and you're trying to enjoy, then she can really get the perspective of what she's looking for and what you're looking for. Because if you're having fun and being yourself, she can be like, well, that's what I like, and you can be like, that's what I want, or whatever. Because you should, just like it goes back to my first tip, if you know what you want and you know what you're looking for, then everything should work itself out.
So as he said with having fun, I'm a goofy person, he's a goofy person, so we kind of do just click. I like to have fun, he likes to have fun. And we can just go and joke around and not even worry about it, where some girls would be like, oh my God, don't joke with me. Like, they uptight. I'm just free and having fun. There's no need to be miserable in a relationship and not having no fun in it. Like, what's the point of the relationship if it's not going to be fun?
You only got one life, so why not have fun with it?
So these were our 5 tips on how to get a boyfriend/girlfriend.
And if you like this video, like, subscribe, and comment down below if you want some more tips on school or relationships or anything, because we got whatever you need.